for this problem, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and bring down the 2 first. So this is how you set it up. You want to make sure that you address any missing numbers here. We have x to the 4th, x to the 3rd, and then we should have x to the 2nd. We don't, so we have a 0 for it, and we have x and 8. So the first thing you do is bring down the 2, go straight down. You can see that it goes straight down. The next thing we would do is we multiply -4 times 2, which is -8. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to total up 8 and -8, which is equal to 0. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do -4 times 0, which is, again, it's just 0. So the next thing we would do is we would add these up together and we would get 0. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to do -4 times 0, which is 0, right? The next thing we would do is we would add 2 and 0 together, which we bring down, which is 2. And then we do -4 times 2, which is -8. And those cancel out. So we have no remainder. So in this case, we would know that at the point -4, it would cross the x-axis. It would cross the x-axis. So how we would write this? Well, again, this first term is going to be 1 less than x to the 4th. So it would be x to the 3rd, x squared, x, and then this would just be a 2. So if I were to go ahead and write this out, it would be 2x to the 3rd plus 2, and that would be my answer. So if I divided by -4, or x plus 4, into this using long division, my answer would still be the same. It would be 2x to the 3rd plus 2. Okay. And since there is no remainder, this x plus 4 is a root. Okay. So again, because there is no remainder, you can see here, no remainder. So x plus 4 is a root. Okay. And again, all that means is that the graph crosses the x-axis at that point. There is application to this, but we'll talk about that some other time.